Judy, what did you get for Christmas?
Lots of stuff.
No, but what kind of stuff, you idiot?
Good thing.
Good direction.
Daddy, what did you get for Christmas?
I got this ArcLight movie pass, and I got 3 books that I wanted, and I got a car care kit, and I got a candle, and I got CDs, and I got a record album, and I got a new robe, and that's just some of the stuff. I got a lot of.
Wow, that's pretty thorough.
Yeah, you got it all.
Judy, did you want a second chance at your stuff?
Your second chance.
How do you go outside?
Well, okay, that's weird.
That's how you do it.
Hey, Brody, what did you get for Christmas?
Yeah, I know, but he didn't even get a bone.
Brody, you're so shy. Steven, what did you get for Christmas?
I got this
Pan! I'm gonna smash your can.
Allie, what did you get for Christmas?
I got Jackson this thing that I'm trying to trick him into going.
That thing is too small. You need to shrink it.
Yeah.
Might be a little. I can't believe they had something that was too small.